Hi children, let us do beginning consonant blends. And here we have chosen two letters for you. G, L. So you have words beginning with G, L. We will try and read them aloud and understand. Beginning consonant blends le G, L. Shall we look at the word with G, L? Yes. Look at our first word, G-L. Gl. Add. Glad. What is the meaning of glad? Happy. When are you glad? You're glad on your birthday. Yes. You're glad when daddy gives you a gift. You're glad when mommy makes prepare beautiful, delicious, favorite food of yours. Glad. Glad. All babies are happy and glad all the time. Okay? Good. Let's look at our next word. In glue. 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 Very good. What is glue? It's a little sticky thing that you can paste. Now you want to make a chart. You have to put a lot of pictures on it. Put a little glue behind the picture and put it on the chart. It'll get stuck to it. A sticky substance is called glue. But you should not use too much of it. Then you will spoil the chart. Okay? Now sometimes you're reading a book and mommy says, come for lunch, come for dinner, but you do not get up. Then mommy says, what are you glued? That means you're stuck to the chair. You love the story so much. Or you like to look at that picture so much. Glued. Let's look at our next word. Glum. When are you glum? Long face, not happy, no smile. You are glum when you are not well, or when you lost something, or you get a scolding. When daddy scolds you, then you sit in one corner with a long face. That's called glum. Good. Let's look at our next word. Glass. Glass. Can be a glass bottle, your glass you drink water, anything that breakable. Glass. Our flowers can be glass, any item made of glass. Yes, you should be careful. Let's look at our next word. Gloom. Gloom. Gloom, a gloomy child, not happy. Whatever you say, whatever you give, whatever food or toy, no, always in gloomy. Long face, nothing makes the child happy. Gloomy. A room in the evening when it is dark, if you don't put on the light, I put only one small candle light, how will the room look? It look very gloomy. If you put in all the rooms only light with this, there's zero bulb and not much of light, then you say, why is the room looking so gloomy, so dull? Even a dull child, you'll say, gloomy child. Good. Let's look at another word. Gloss. Gloss. Bright, polished. Now, you can use a paper that is polished paper to make something gloss. To make your face glow, you put oil or cream. So, my God, look at the gloss. That means shining face. Gloss. Yes, you can polish the floor. Then you say, what glossy, beautiful floor. Good. Let's look at another word. Glove. Glove. You use gloves when you want to do some work in the kitchen, or when you want to cut up something, you use gloves. Or when you're doing something hard, you're digging up the garden, you can use a plastic glove. You use gloves. When it is cold, the little baby is feeling cold, then you put on gloves, make the baby cold to go to sleep. Yes, let's look at the last word in GL. Globe. Globe. What is a globe? The map that you see in the book, it's in the round form, you call it a globe. Model of the earth or any planet, you can get it. Yes? And you put it on the table. You can look. Look. Now let's read all these words. Shall we? Glad. Glad. That means a very happy person. I'm so glad today because my uncle is coming, going to bring a lot of gifts for me. Glad. Glue. Glue. Glue is a sticky substance. Glue. 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 Glum. Very sad, angry. Glum. Glass. Glass. Code. Gloom. Gloom. Gloss. Gloss. Glow. Glove. Globe. Globe. Now that we read all the words, beginning consonant blend GL, let us do a short exercise. A picture will come. You can guess a word that begin with GL. Shall we do that? Let's look at our first picture. What do we see here? A little child with the hands up, very happy. When you're happy, what do? You throw your arms up and look up and you jump and dance around. When are you very happy? When you get something, when somebody praises you, you're full of glee, full of joy, full of happiness. What is this? This girl is full of glee, a glad person, glad person. She's so glad. She's so happy today. She woke up and she said, Mama, I'm so glad. Why are you so glad? Grandpa is coming. It's my birthday tomorrow, so I'm so glad. They're coming to stay with us, bringing gifts. Good. What is this girl looking? She's looking glad, happy. Let's look at another picture. Shall we? Look, what is this? It's a breakable object. It's a glass. It's a glass. Glass can be of different color. Sometimes blue, green, anything you can get. But glass should be handled carefully. Children should not drink water in this glass. Why? It can slip from your hand and fall. What is this? Glass. 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 Glass can break if you drop it on the ground. Glass. Shall we look at another picture? Good. Look what we have here. There is full of things in this bottle and they have put it down. Everything is shining. All the beads are shining. Everybody is so happy. What is it? It is glittering. Sometimes some beads are glittering. You can stick it on your dress, on a paper. It will shine. It will shine. Glitter. With the light, it will sparkle. It will look like pearls. Glitter. Glitter means shining. Shiny objects. Some stones or some beads of different color that shines in the light, glittering in the night. It glitters. Look at these pearls. They glitter. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look what we have here. This is called globe. A map of the map what's on the globe. If you flatten it, you get it in the book. Now, this is the full map can be, you can have the full on the globe, round. And all the countries, all the places can turn it and look at it. What is this called? It's a globe. You'll find it on the table of your headmaster. What is it called? Globe. You can see the places. Globe. What is it? Globe. What is this? Globe. 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 You can look at pictures, places, any small place you want. seas and rivers. What is this? Globe. Good. Shall we take another picture? Look what we have here. This little girl, oh, she's so glad. She's full of joy, full of glee. She's jumping around. Why? Because daddy says she's a pretty girl, a clever girl. What did daddy say? A pretty girl, a clever girl. She got her hands up and she's full of glee, full of joy. What is she? Full of glee. Glee means happiness, full of happiness. Grandma, grandpa, mummy, daddy, everybody says she's a pretty girl. So she's full of happiness and joy, full of glee, full of joy, all so happy. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look what we have here. Look what we have. What is this? This is what we call bottle of glue. A bottle of gum. You can stick. You want to fix something, you can use the glue. You want to fix picture on the chart, you can use a little bit of this glue. What is this? Glue. A type of sticky gum is called a glue. You use gum for sticking, pasting, yes, fixing something. There are different types of glues. There are glues to fix paper. There are glues to fix plastic too. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look what we have here. You like this? In cold countries, the fingers become very numb. To keep body warm, they use this on the hand. In cold season, you put for the little children. When they have fever, they put on little children to keep them warm. What is that? Something that you wear on your hand. Good. Gloves. What is it? Gloves. Gloves will keep you warm. People also use gloves when they work in the garden. Cooperation. People who take the dustbin, work with dustbin, they want to empty the dustbin, clean the road, they always wear a pair of gloves so that they don't dirty their hands. Yes, people who work with the garbage, they always use a pair of gloves too. What is this? Gloves. Good. Shall we look at another picture now? Look what we have here. The little boy. He says, look, I'm so happy, full of joy. The little boy is very happy, jumping around. He is glad. Glad means happy, joyful. He is so glad. That is, nobody is going to work today. Today is the holiday. He says, I'm so glad dad and mom are going to be at home today and I can have good fun. So he's so glad. He says, Mama, I'm so glad today. Why? Because you're not going to work today. Today is Saturday. I'm so happy, Mama. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look what we have here. We have a beautiful swan on the lake. How does the swan move on the lake? It will move, and that movement we call it glide. Just beautifully floating, moving around the lake. We say the swan. Look at the swan gliding on the water, gliding on the pond. Oh, she looks beautiful. What is she doing? Gliding, moving slowly. A swan glides on the water. Good.